celebrating the World Elephant Day, August 12th, 2020. Let us all pledge to preserve and protect the amazing and mighty elephants which are declared as an endangered species. They are a very important part of our lives and play a vital role in sustaining our forests. The significance of this important day is to highlight the awareness to save this magnificent animal from extinction. This short documentary is presented to create awareness for protecting the mighty animal from extinction. The elephant herds migrate between rainy and dry season every year following fixed paths and are led by the senior-most female elephant. These fixed paths of movement are called corridors. Elephants are grazers and browsers, that is, feeding on trees and shrubs. On an average, one elephant needs at least 150 kg of food every day. Depletion and constant fragmentation of elephant movement corridors has adversely affected their habitat. This has created a situation of conflict between the wild elephants and the human settlements near the forest borders. Elephants use their tusk to dig rocks, salt, uproot trees and remove bark. They also use it for their self-defense. Protection of elephants will result in the protection of vast areas of forest lands, the complex ecology, and subsequently bring back the green areas much needed to protect the environment. It is very necessary to have policies worldwide favoring the protection and growth of the elephant population. The present elephant crisis demands the creation of a system which can lead to the peaceful coexistence of human settlements and the wild elephants. Let us all globally join hands to protect and preserve the magnificent elephants of the world.